The DEWINNER 1.25 horsepower wood router boasts a robust motor capable of reaching speeds up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for high-speed woodworking tasks. Designed with precision in mind, this router features a visible scale and an adjustable lift knob to ensure stable and accurate cutting for various projects. The ergonomic design includes rubberized handles for a comfortable grip, while the clear plastic dust cover provides excellent visibility of your work area. Included with the router is a set of 15 milling cutters with sharp tungsten carbide blades, perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks like edging, trimming, and grooving. This compact router is versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including cabinet processing, surface finishing, and DIY projects. The DEWINNER wood router combines power, precision, and ease of use, making it an excellent tool for both professional woodworkers and hobbyists.